So someone asked me about polycystic ovarian syndrome or PCOS. So let's dissect what PCOS is. It's polycystic ovarian syndrome, which means that there's so many cysts in the ovaries. And what is the function of the ovaries? We know that the ovaries are responsible for production of some estrogen in the body. And this estrogen, this makes us women, okay? So we have feminine characteristic because of this estrogen. So if your ovaries are filled with cysts, they don't function properly. So what happens? You have symptoms of infertility. Sometimes meron silang symptoms of masculinity, okay? And what is that? Meron silang mustache, okay? And yung katawan nila nag-iiba din. So what can you do with PCOS? Dandelion is one of the best thing that you can try. And of course, Damong Maria.